Hi, I'm Alex from Secondary Glazing and welcome to this video where we'll be going through the Easyfix Trackglaze Horizontal sliding system. Trackglaze Horizontal is a sliding secondary glazing system that provides excellent noise and thermal insulation with the advantage of simple slide opening for access to your original windows. Trackglaze Horizontal uses rigid PVC double track fitted within the window cavity, a bristle seal draft excluder fitted onto the sheets, and PVC angle handles. For details on individual kit and pack contents, see our website secondarydiyglazing.com, and all links are in the description below. The system has been designed for use with 4mm thick glazing panes, and where windows are over 1 metre in height, we have to recommend the use of glass for the added rigidity. For more details and restrictions, see our website, and all links are in the description below. The Trackglaze systems need to be installed within a window reveal. If you need to create one, you can either fit a 25mm wooden batten onto the face of your frame or use one of our window conversion angles. It's best to square up the cavity if you need to before fitting Trackglaze for the best results. Start by measuring the width and height of your window reveal. If either of these are over 1 metre, then you will require the 2 metre kits. For the height of glazing pane you need, take the reveal height and subtract 12mm for polycarbonate or 13mm for glass. For the 2 pane system, add 4mm to the reveal width and split between the 2 panes. If you're fitting over 2 panes, add a further 8mm per sheet before dividing up. To install the Trackglaze kits, you'll need a fine-tooth saw, a pair of scissors and a pencil and tape measure. Clean and degrease the window reveal where the tracks are going to be fitted using the surface preparation wipes in the pack. Cut a length of the shallow track the full width of the bottom of the reveal and fit into place. Then cut a length of the deeper track the full width and fit along the top of the reveal at the same depth as the bottom track. Check the exact measurement between the top and bottom track and then cut and fit deep track to the reveal sides. The track should neatly align all the way round. Working with the rear panel first, cut and fit bristle seal around all 4 edges of one side of the glazing panel, about 1 millimetre in from the edge. Insert the panel into the rear track with the bristle seal facing you. You do this by pushing up into the deeper top track, lifting over and then placing into the rear channel. Now fix bristle seal to the 3 sides of the front panel which will be sat within the track. Then trial fit the panel with the bristle seal facing away from you. With the panels in the closed position, make sure that the bristle seal at the overlap will interact with each other, and then remove the front pane, fix the bristle seal and replace. Measure the visible height of the glazing and then cut one of the angle handles to this measurement minus 10mm. This will allow the sheet to be lifted in and out as required. Apply the handle to the face of the front pane, hiding the bristle seal and leaving the 10mm gap at the top. If you need to draft proof your window before beginning, try one of our Easyfix draft excluders. Details of all the products mentioned in this video can be found on the website secondarydiyglazing.com, and the links will all be in the description below. Thank you for watching.